Hello guys, welcome to my channel All About Products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the Tupperware Heritage Collection. 36-piece set, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Designed with instant seal lids, these containers keep your food fresh while preventing spills. Made from sturdy, high-quality material, they ensure long-lasting durability for everyday use. Plus, their nestable and stackable design saves space, keeping your kitchen organized effortlessly. Upgrade your storage game with Tupperware's trusted excellence. Introducing the Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer, a versatile solution for a clutter-free home. Perfect as a utensil holder, office organizer, or garage tool kit holder, it adapts to your needs. With expandable sides, it fits various drawer sizes while keeping everything neatly in place. Stay organized with this stylish and durable bamboo organizer. Introducing the mixing bowls with Airtight Lids, the perfect kitchen essential for every home. Crafted with a stainless steel mirror interior and an anti-slip silicone bottom, these bowls offer durability and stability while mixing. The comfortable grip ensures easy handling, while the splash-proof construction and secure seal lids keep ingredients fresh. Plus, the removable center on the lid allows for mess-free pouring or adding ingredients effortlessly. Available in varied sizes, they cater to all your cooking and baking needs. Introducing the Pots and Pans Organizer, a simple and efficient way to keep your kitchen tidy. Designed for quick setup with tool-free assembly, it fits perfectly on shelves, countertops, drawers, or cabinets. Keep your cookware organized and easily accessible with this sturdy and space-saving solution. Introducing the HOMESTEAD Bamboo Pantry Storage Bins, a must-have kitchen essential for effortless organization. Made from strong and durable bamboo, these stackable bins maximize storage while adding a touch of elegance. The smooth slider design ensures easy access, bringing convenience to every corner of your pantry. Plus, with no assembly required, you can start organizing instantly. Keep your kitchen organized with a two-piece fruit basket kitchen storage. Featuring a sturdy wire frame with a smooth wooden lip, it's perfect for storing fruits, veggies, and snacks. The stackable and wall-mountable design saves space, while the open wire structure allows for proper airflow. Easy to clean and stylish, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Introducing the 20-jar spice rack, a perfect blend of style and convenience. Designed with a rotating feature, it allows easy access to your favorite spices while keeping them neatly organized. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for any kitchen, adding both functionality and elegance to your cooking space. Keep your spices neatly organized with the Spice Drawer Organizer. Made from durable bamboo with a built-in wedge design, it adjusts to fit up to 36 spice jars for easy access. Stylish and space-saving, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with the Stacking Utensils set. Designed with a magnetic storage stand, it keeps your tools organized and easily accessible. Made from black and stainless steel, these utensils are dishwasher safe and perfect for any modern kitchen. Make kitchen tasks easier with the plastic wrap dispenser with cutter. Featuring a magnetic stripe absorption, it easily attaches to your refrigerator for convenient access. The two-way sliding cutter ensures smooth and precise cutting of tin foil, parchment paper, and plastic wrap. Designed for comfort, it's easy to hold and perfect for hassle-free food prep and storage. Tired of messy countertops and cluttered cabinets? This 4-pack 2-tier clear under-sink organizer is your perfect solution. With smooth pull-out drawers and a sturdy track system, it maximizes storage space in your bathroom, kitchen, or pantry. Stay organized effortlessly. Get yours today. Say goodbye to messy kitchen cabinets with the 8-tier pot and pan organizer rack. Designed for easy access and super stability, it features M-shaped tiers, 5.0 millimeters thick dividers, and adjustable height for customized storage. Keep your cookware organized and within reach. Upgrade your kitchen today. Keep your fridge neat and organized with this 10-pack stackable refrigerator organizer set. Designed with clear, BPA-free bins and secure lids, it's perfect for storing fruits, veggies, drinks, and more. Maximize space and keep your food fresh. Upgrade your fridge today. Keep your eggs fresh and easily accessible with the auto-rolling fridge egg organizer. Featuring 4 tiers and a large capacity, simply push the bottom, and the eggs roll forward for effortless access. Upgrade your fridge with smart storage. Grab yours today. Maximize your cabinet space with the Cabinet Caddy Spice Rack Organizer. Designed with a pull and rotate feature, it fits most cabinets with no installation required. No wasted space. Perfect for spices, medicine, cosmetics, and more. Plus, you can link 2 or more together for extra storage. Includes labels and foam inserts for a customized touch. Get organized today. Upgrade your kitchen storage with our glass food storage containers, designed for convenience and a healthy lifestyle. Made from BPA-free materials, these containers feature snap-locking lids that ensure a 100% leak-proof seal, keeping your meals fresh and mess-free. Perfect for meal prep, they are freezer-safe for long-term storage, oven and microwave-safe for easy reheating, and dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Available in different sizes, they offer the perfect solution for storing all your favorite foods with safety and durability. Keep your food fresh and organized with our glass jars with bamboo lids, available in 3 sizes. Featuring a premium glass design, wide mouth, and a leak-proof bamboo lid with a silicone sealing ring, these jars ensure freshness every time. Perfect for storing dry goods, snacks, or pantry essentials in style. Simplify your kitchen storage with our rice dispenser, designed for convenience and freshness. Featuring a manual air release valve, it keeps your rice fresh while allowing easy pouring with a simple switch of the valve. The included measuring cup ensures precise portions every time, making meal prep effortless. With an easy installation process and a stylish bamboo frame, this dispenser adds both functionality and elegance to your kitchen. Keep your kitchen organized with a rotating grain dry food dispenser, designed for easy access and storage. Featuring 6 separate grids, it's perfect for storing lentils, rice, beans, and more while keeping them fresh and mess-free. The 360-degree rotatable design allows effortless selection, making meal prep quicker and more convenient. With its transparent body, you can easily monitor contents, ensuring a sleek and functional addition to your kitchen pantry. Maximize your storage space with the 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer, designed for a perfect tight-fit closure. With a super large capacity, it's ideal for organizing your kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom essentials. Easy to install, it comes with all required hardware, making setup quick and hassle-free. Keep your home neat and clutter-free with this versatile storage solution. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.